Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a October 2022 variant 41, question number 7, and O levels functions topic. First part is G of have. So first of all, as you know my habit, I copy function. You can save over your time, even you copy function or you copy as it is, but with an empty space. And then you replace have here and here. All right. But when complicated question come like this or like this, then you best idea copy. And you know, students, this left hand side, G of half will not change anything, will stay as it is. But right hand side, if you type in calculator, I tell you a rule. Whenever A up and B by C come in denominator, so this always flips, means C will go up, that's it. So this two will go up. So 4 by 1 or short story, you got a 4. We will try our best to not use calculator a lot, because when you reach higher grades, then you face difficulty when you don't have I mean to say calculator, or it's come specially when it's come specially with variables like this form, then you don't type in calculator. Anyway, so this G of have same. So first of all, I will copy h of x. Okay, or I left empty spaces both sides. So this G of half, sorry, this G of half will go here, and this 4 will come. So I'm writing here G of half, and here I'm writing 4. So H G of half is equals to 2 to the power 4, giving you 16. And that's it. So Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, because 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How to deal this question? So first of all, as usual, I will copy function of f. Okay, I'm copying function of f. Because this 7 is equal, not in the bracket. Some student misconcept, they think like this. No, this is 7 is not inside. 7 is equals to that. So what I will do, students, I will put in the left hand side whole replaced by 7. X will go left hand side, become, and 7 goes right hand side. X is 10 minus 7. Short form, x is equal to 3. Let's go for C part. So what is technique, students? So first of all, g of x is this. I will copy as it is 2 over x. You can see it's my function. But right hand side, I have to plug in 3 in h. So first of all, I will copy h function 2 to power x. But in the place of empty space, I will put 3 here. Now 2 by x is equals to 2 to power 3 is becoming 8. Now I'm doing it here. So this cross multiply 2 equal to 8 times 2x, because x will multiply with 8. Now I need to make x alone, 8 will go down. So 2 by 8 equals to x. Or I can say x is equal to 1 upon 4. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. J inverse. So inverse of this, a piece of cake, 5 minus 2x. So first of all, copy the function name. Or you write g of x by y. Now I will go to make a x subject. Here are two possibilities. Some students, they bring 5 this side. But okay, but I will bring 2x here and bring y there. Logic, I will try my best to make x positive. I will tell you another way even, don't worry. Now this 2 is multiplying, will divide here like this. Now I'm writing further. Switch the sides, because wait a minute. Yeah, no need. It is already switched done. Interchanging. So when I interchange students, interchanging x become y and y becomes x. So this becomes J inverse of x. Let me recheck. 5 minus 2x. This goes there. 5 y comes here. 2 divides and interchanging, and that's it. But some students get this answer. So look, I write the other one, in which some student bring 5 on the other end. So answer will be x minus 5 divided by minus 2. So writing this way or writing this way, you will not lose any mark. So both one answers are correct. But I give preference to this because there's no negative sign in denominator or less problem is there, look like. But both are same. What about this? Here I'm copying F value, then G value, and then plus 1. F value is what? 10 minus x. So I'm copying here 10 minus x. G value is what? 2 over x and plus 1. Now here I have seen some students done mistakes. 1 plus 10 give you 11 minus x plus 2 over x. You can add them beginning or add at the end, so no effect will come. Okay, now students, before I move on it, I give example. 3 plus 1 over 4. If you type directly in calculator, it will give you 13 by 4. But some students do it mistake. What? They write 3 as it is 1. So is it possible 13 by 4? Wrong. It means this wrong. But if you type in calculator, you'll get this answer. It means some mistake. And what is mistake? Because this 4 same, so we should copy 1 as it is. But this 4 and this down part, nothing there. Nothing there means into 4 up and into 4 down to make it balance. And now I can say this 4 same, so 3 4s are 12 plus 130 match. So into 4 comes, so short story 4 multiply with this 3. Short story, take LCM here, x same, so upper 2 just copy. So this x multiply with x become x squared. This x multiply with 11 become 11. So I believe you got a point, and then simplest form, I'm writing in order even. Order is not a compulsory, but I think we should write like this. Simplest form means this 1 and 10 we have to add either and in the adding starting point or ending point, no problem at all. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the question, sorry, we have another part we have here, 2 parts we have available there even. So let's talk about this part. Yes, students, so let's see the question. I wrote functions here, okay? And what the question is, f of x, there's 2 differences there. This function f in f, but this means square of the function, okay? So I'm going to show you. First of all, what is f of x, students? This is a f of x, 10 minus x. So I'm going to replace this value in the bracket, because actually it is a square of that, okay? Like the square of x. I write 10 minus x because f of x square means f of this square of this function. And what about this, students? So first of all, I'm doing some rough work here. And rough work is what? First of all, I will write f of x, which is 10 minus x, as you know it very clear. Now, how many x's left side? How many x's right side? I will leave empty spaces. And what I will do, students, so this fx name I will copy here, and this value I will copy here. So look at here, I'm writing f of x and 10 minus x. If I check it, and you can show this working to examiner even right hand side. Expand the bracket, very clear approach, 10 and this minus 10 and this minus into minus plus. And this 10 visibly cancel. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, you saw that I kept function in the same one. Okay. So I got this X answer. So I will not waste my time. Is this is same? Yes, same. I will copy this X in the place of this because I have shown this working to examiner, so he will not mind. Okay, this is a part of question. You have to show this. Now, he said, convert the whole in this form. So where is it is all things thing? I have to expand it. Now, two techniques of expanding. One is 10 minus x, right? Two times and multiply, 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 and multiply. Second method is squaring identity. First term square, 2 into first term, second term plus second term square. This I'm applying on this bracket only. And what about minus x? Will stay there. Now I'm going to write this 10 in two places, this bracket and this bracket. This x I'm writing in this and this bracket, two different brackets. Now 10 square giving you 100. 2 times to 10, 20, 20 into x become 20x. And x square minus x. Now I reorder. First of all, I'm copying x square without any change. And negative 20x and negative x will give us negative 21x. And at 100 will come at the end. But he was asking, give me ABC values. I mean, these values. I will compare with that. Example was do we have anything before x squared? Nothing. There's 1. So here A. So this A is equals to this number, which is 1. So A value is 1. X coefficient is minus 21 and X coefficient is B. So B value is equals to minus 21. This is a 100 and here a lone number. So C is equals to 100, and I believe you got the point very, very clear. Just once again, I check the question 10 minus x to yes, correct. It means all Alhamdulillah concept is clear. Let's talk about this question. And for this reason, I will concentrate on this. But you know what's the rule, basic students? I explain again. Whenever k inverse x is equal to 3, inverse will go there and inverse will eliminate and 3 will come in bracket. I give you one more example. P of inverse of 3 equal to L. So P inverse will go there, 3 will stay as it is, and L will come in the bracket. Same story I apply here. So this is what technique, H inverse will go there, and X is equal to H of 10. So it means I can get my answer if I have it, this idea. So I mean to say H of X is equal to H of 10. And h of 10 means if I say h of 1, so put 1, put 1. If I say h of 3 here, so put 3, put 3. If I say h of 10 here, put 10, put 10. So this is our answer 2 to the power 10. And 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Wait a minute. Yeah, 2 to the power 10 is 1024. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe you've got a point very